In this video, we'll be taking a look at the KTC 32-inch 2K monitor, model H32T13. Make sure to subscribe if you're interested in being notified of future videos. Time to take it out of the box and set it up. This is the base for the stand. Some covers for the joints on the stand arm. An HDMI and power cable. The power adapter. And the arm for the stand. And this is the monitor or display itself. This is an IPS 1440p monitor with ultra-thin bezels. It has support for HDR10, as well as FreeSync and G-Sync. As far as ports go, it has two HDMI 2.0 ports, two DisplayPort 1.4s, an earphone or headphone port, and a DC power jack for power input. The stand has an adjustable tilt angle from -5 degrees to 15 degrees. It's also VESA compatible. As for the display refresh rate, it's 75 Hz, so it's not made for high-end gaming, but it does work well with most games. It has 103% sRGB color gamut, so it has nice colors and the display is nice and bright as well. The screen has a matte finish, so it's good against annoying reflections on the screen, especially during the day. This is a good monitor for business or work, and for casual gaming. The thin bezels give the monitor a nice and attractive look, and give you that more screen to frame ratio. If 32-inch isn't the size you're looking for, they also have 27 and 24-inch monitors, so you can check their website for additional products. Don't forget to take a look at the links in the description if you're interested in picking up one of these monitors, and I'll see you in the next one.